If 2x plus 3y minus 5 is equal to 0, 2x plus 3y plus 15 equal to 0, x plus y minus 7 equal to 0, x plus y plus 7 equal to 0, or sides of a parallelogram. So here one parallelogram is given. This is the parallelogram. What are the sides equations? 2x plus 3y minus 5 is equal to 0. This is the first equation. And the parallel equation is 2x plus 3y plus 15 equal to 0. And these two are x plus y minus 7 equal to 0, x plus y plus 7 equal to 0. What is the center of the parallelogram? That is a given question. So center lies on the midline of these two lines. What is the midline formula? Equation of the line midway of these two. Now what is the equation of this line? The formula is 2x plus 3y minus 5 plus 15 by 2. Just adding the 2, just taking the average of the constants. 2x plus 3y minus 5 plus 15 by 2. So this is the equation of this line. That is 2x plus 3y plus 5 is equal to 0. Now clearly here the center lies on the midline of these two lines. That is center lies on this line. Now taking the options verification. So first option not satisfies this equation. Second option 10 minus 15 plus 5 is equal to 0. So second option is the correct answer. Only the second option satisfies the equation. So this is the correct answer. Second problem, if the line x minus 1 by 2 is equal to y minus 2 by 3 is equal to t intersects the line x plus y is equals to 8, then what is the value of t? So the given question is the two lines intersects, then what is the value of t? So first I take that x minus 1 by 2 is equal to t, then x is equal to 2t plus 1. And here y minus 2 by 3 is equal to t, then the value of y is equal to 3t plus 2. This is the first line equation. And what is the second line? X plus y is equals to 8. So these are the values of x comma y, but this point lies on the second line since the two lines intersects here. So this point lies on the second line. So substituting this point in the second line, then we get 2t plus 1 plus 3t plus 2 is equals to 8. X is equal to 2t plus 1, y is equal to 3t plus 2. That is 5t is equal to 5. Then the value of t is equal to 1, which is the first option. Next problem, if ABC are in GP. So ABC are in GP means what is the condition? B square is equal to AC. Then show that the line a square x plus b square y plus AC is equal to 0 always passes through the fixed point. We want to find the fixed point through which the line passes. So this is the given equation. Now I substitute that b square is equal to AC in this equation. Then ACY plus AC is equal to 0. That is a square into x plus AC into y plus 1 is equal to 0, which is in the form of L1 lambda 1 plus L2 lambda 2 is equal to 0. What is L1? L1 is equals to first line, that is x is equal to 0. What is L2? L2 is equal to second line, that is y plus 1 equal to 0. Now clearly this is in the form of lambda 1 L1 plus lambda 2 L2 equal to 0, which is the family of the concurrent lines. So L1 is equal to x equal to 0, L2 is equal to y plus 1 equal to 0. Y plus 1 equal to 0 means y is equal to minus 1. That is the point, fixed point x comma y is equal to here 0 comma minus 1. That is the third option. Next problem, if 2a minus 3a square minus 1 is on same side of the line x plus y minus 4 equal to 0 as that of the origin. That is, given that the given point and origin lie on the same side of the line. Suppose I take the given point is equal to a here. That is a is equal to 2a minus 3 into a square minus 1. Point a lie on the same side of the line as that of origin. That is, origin and this point lie on the same side. Now what is the value of L11? L11 means first we substitute the first point in the line equation. Then what we get? Minus 4. That is less than 0. So L11 less than 0 means L22 is also less than 0 since the 2 points lie on the same side of L equal to 0. That is, now substituting this point in the line equation, then 2a minus 3 plus a square minus 1 minus 4 less than 0 means a square plus 2a minus 8 equal to 0. Now taking the factorization, so a square plus 4a minus 2a minus 8 equal to 0. That is a into a plus 4 minus 2 into a plus 4 is equal to 0 means less than 0. This is less than 0. That is a plus 4 into a minus 2 less than 0, which means here minus 4 is one root value, 2 is the other root value. A plus 4 equal to 0, then a is equal to minus 4. A minus 2 is equal to 0, then a is equal to 2. Now what is the range value? Therefore a belongs to closed alpha comma beta. This is the formula. What are alpha comma beta? Small value is equals to alpha. This is equal to beta. So answer is equal to minus 4 comma 2. That is the first option. That's all.